the right job for you can be a complex process. However, through Blue Jobs job board, you will be able to refine your search and access the positions that match your interests. Go to Find Jobs on the navigation bar or homepage and insert your keywords and location preferences. You can refine your search by selecting the different filters on the left column: sector, type of work, career level, and many more. By clicking on each position, you will be able to access the details and job description. Access the employer profile and learn more from them. You can also create an alert to receive similar positions, or save the position and have it added to your profile for a later application. Once you're ready, click on Apply to the position, and your application will be sent directly to the employer's inbox. And don't forget to keep an eye on our LinkedIn and newsletter. You will learn and access all you need to succeed at finding the next job for you. We hope this video has been useful to you, and we wish you all the best of luck in advancing your career.